Hi everyone, I'm Paige Cole. You might recognize me from Glow Up or on Instagram as Paige Cole Makeup. Today I am here with Superdrug to bring you a glamorous midnight rose look for Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween because it's my favorite time of the year. I get to go crazy, go wild, and no one can tell you nothing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoy. So for step one, I'm going to be taking a white eyeshadow base or white concealer to really help our eyeshadow pop and be vibrant. So right now I'm just winging out the concealer so that it gives us a really nice base for when we apply the eyeshadow. Before we add any bright colours, I'm going to be using the Revolution Midnight Rose palette, and I'm going to be taking a brown shade from the palette as my transition shade. And as a transition shade, it helps blend out all the eyeshadows real smooth with no harsh lines. This is a step that will definitely elevate your eyeshadow looks. So now I'm going to be adding a pop of colour. So I'm going to be taking a matte red eyeshadow and I'm going to be taking it from the corner of my eye to the outer corner to create a cat eye effect. So next I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow and this is going to add some depth and dimension to our look. So I'm going to be taking it from our crease and dragging it out to create that really nice cat eye look. So I'm using a smaller brush for the black because I want a bit more precision with the look and really control where I want to place my eyeshadow without getting rid of the red eyeshadow. So using the same eyeshadow brush that I used for our red eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking it and just blending out any harsh lines between the black and the red. So now to add some drama, I'm going to be using the Eyelure Flutter Intense Eyelashes. So some people like to use tweezers, but for me, I find it easier to use my fingers. And when I'm applying eyelashes, I like to tilt my head and look at the mirror downwards. And voila, the difference. So as you can see, our look is quite bold, but I want to go that extra mile and be hella extra and use the B Blush Roses of Red blusher. And this is going to take our look to the next level. Depending on how intense you want your blusher to be, you can either use it on its own or mix it in with the eyeshadow that we used before on our eyes. So I'm going to be applying from the apples of my cheek to the temples in patting motion. And this is just going to make it very opaque. And I'm just building it up nice and slowly. Now I'm going to be using my B blending sponge to blend out any harsh lines on my cheeks. Now I'm going to be using the B lip liner in Scarlet. So now to top it off, I'm going to be using the B Matte Lipstick in Merlot. Now that I've finished my makeup, it's now time to get changed. This is the finished Midnight Rose look. This is perfect for anyone that wants to go for a super glam look for Halloween this year. So for my first top tip, I'm going to be applying glitter to the lids, and this is just going to add some extra glam to the look. So now for my next top tip, I'm going to be using clear gloss to create the perfect pout. No Halloween look is complete without accessories. I got my flower headband from Superdrug. For my final tip, you can use the Elegant Touch false nails, and this is a perfect way to finish off your look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to Superdrug's YouTube channel.